In the world of culinary oils, coconut oil and olive oil stands out as two of the most popular and versatile choices. Whether you're sautéing vegetables, baking treats, or seeking health benefits, understanding the differences between these oils can elevate your cooking and wellness routines. Dive into the unique properties, nutritional profiles, and best uses of coconut oil versus olive oil to make informed decisions that suit your lifestyle and palate. Coconut oil and olive oil differ significantly in their nutritional makeup. Coconut oil is rich in saturated fats, particularly medium-chain triglycerides (MCTs), like lauric acid, which are known for their quick energy conversion and potential antimicrobial properties. On the other hand, olive oil is predominantly composed of monosaturated fats, especially oleic acid, which is celebrated for its heart healthy benefits. Olive oil also contains antioxidants such as vitamin E and polyphenols, which help combat inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. The health benefits of each oil cater to different needs. Coconut is often praised for its ability to boost metabolism, support brain health, and improve skin and hair condition when used topically. Its MCTs can aid in weight management and provide a steady energy source. Conversely, olive oil is renowned for its role in the Mediterranean diet, which is associated with reduced risks of heart disease, stroke, and certain cancers. The anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil contribute to improved joint health and overall longevity. When it comes to cooking, the distinctive flavors and smoke points of these oils make them suitable for various applications. Coconut oil has a subtle sweet aroma and a lower smoke point, making it ideal for baking, sautéing, and medium temperatures and adding a tropical flair to dishes. It solidifies at room temperature, which can be advantageous for certain recipes like frostings and spreads. Olive oil, especially extra virgin varieties, boasts a robust fruity flavor that enhances salads, drizzles over finished dishes, and is perfect for low to medium heat cooking. Its higher smoke point variants like refined olive oil are suitable for frying and roasting. Environmental impact. Sustainability is an important factor when choosing cooking oils. Olive oil production, particularly extra virgin, is often more environmentally friendly, with olive trees requiring less intensive farming practices and contributing to soil health. Coconut oil production, while supporting economies in tropical regions, can sometimes involve deforestation and habitat disruption if not sourced responsibly. Opting for certified sustainable brands ensures that your choice supports ethical and environmentally conscious practices. Proper storage extends the life and maintains the quality of both oils. Coconut oil remains solid below 76 Fahrenheit, 24 degrees Celsius, and liquid above, making it easy to store without refrigeration in most climates. It has a relatively long shelf life of up to 2 years when kept in a cool, dark place. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin, should be stored in a dark bottle away from heat and light to prevent oxidation. It typically lasts 12 to 18 months, but exposure to air and light can accelerate spoilage, so proper storage is crucial to preserve its flavor and nutritional integrity. Availability and cost can influence your choice between coconut and olive oil. Olive oil, especially extra virgin, can be more expensive due to the labor-intensive production process and the quality standards required. However, it is widely available in supermarkets and specialty stores. Coconut oil is generally more affordable and accessible, often found in both refined and unrefined forms. The choice may depend on your budget, preferred flavor profile, and specific culinary need. Thanks for watching. We hope this comparison of coconut oil and olive oil has helped you discover which oil fits your lifestyle best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health and cooking tips. Share your favorite oil in the comments below. Until next time, keep cooking with confidence.